I have the S25 Ultra with me here. This is an amazing phone in 2025, the best phone you can buy, potentially the phone of the year for 2025. But I digress because the iPhone 17 will come out in September, around there. So now I'll take a selfie to show you this is an amazing feature that you can use on your Samsung Galaxy AI with the generative edit. I'll show you what you can do with it. I'll take a selfie. Okay, so now this is what you do. You just tap this generative edit icon, Galaxy AI Photo Assist, and then you just draw around whatever you want to remove. So in this case, I'm removing my hand. Okay, you just tap this erase button and then generate. See now, this is where the magic happens with Galaxy AI generative edit. Absolutely amazing. So you can view the original and then the after, original, after. You can save a copy.